Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Madison Solar Vintage Bulb Lights set of 10. Let's get going. In the box you'll find the instructions. You'll find the 10 bulbs with the solar panel attached. Unlike the Lumify vintage bulbs, this solar panel does not detach from the lights themselves. And finally, we have a stake for the solar panel, which you pop into place like so, and then slide this part onto the back of the solar panel, like so. And there's also some screws for securing the stake to the solar panel. Turning the light on is quite simple. It's a matter of pressing the on button on the back of the solar panel. Now you can press the on and off button on the solar panel 3 times before it will turn itself off. So you can pick the perfect setting between the longest runtime and the brightest lights. So from a full charge, these lights will give you 10 hours of illumination. The lights are designed to withstand a UK winter. At the bottom of the bulbs, there's a small hole to let out any water that you might get through condensation or mist or anything like that. And each bulb contains an impressive 10 LED lights. The solar panel itself is an impressive 3-watt panel and is designed to withstand UK winters. There's a rechargeable lithium-ion battery included, and the 10 bulbs are spaced 50 centimeters apart. These Madison bulbs also come with an additional 3 meters of cable between the solar panel and the first bulb. This solar panel is an impressive 6 times more powerful than your average festoon light. Our mission statement with these lights was simple, and it was to launch an exciting new range of festoon lights that can compete with mains lighting to give you as many settings as possible while keeping the price reasonable. If you have any questions about these lights, please just pop them down in the comments below and we will get back to you with the answer. I hope you've enjoyed this video and we will see you on the next one.